saamelaisilla puolueentu passi ajulukt. On joku mielen hodjonskiankka Ellimaskiankka on tu päivädesi ja iätnomis. Ja min saamelaislet luontumaanat. So for the Sami people, actually all of nature is holy. There isn't any nature that is not holy, but there are some places that are more holy than others. For example, the holy rocks and the holy Saivu lakes or special places. There are many of them actually. The reason why everything is holy is because we are given the gift of life from the sun and the earth. And the same gift has also everything else in this world got. The animals, the insects, the fish, the trees. So we consider ourselves the daughters and sons of the sun and the earth. That's why we will never stop fighting for nature, to preserve nature and not to destroy it.